What will it look like in 3 minutes? Uncaged nylon PA6 is highly resistant to oils, acids, alkalis, and most common chemicals. With 79 MPa tensile and 103 MPa flexural strength, it has great impact strength and good mechanical properties. The shrinkage rate is only 1.3% to 1.6% at 23 degrees Celsius, which greatly reduces warping. It enables reliable open-air printing with recommended nozzle temperatures of 250–280 degrees Celsius and a bed temperature as low as 30–50 degrees Celsius.